Hi everybody, I hope you're all well and had a good weekend, because it's going to be Monday that this is going out. Monday or Wednesday, I'm not 100% sure yet. But well, it's cake time. Yeah, I'm just, well, someone mentioned, have I tried a coffee cake when I did the lemon drizzle? Well, I haven't, so I'm going to. And also someone else said, oh, have you tried the throw it all in one, you know, rather than cream the sugar and the eggs together, have you just sort of bung it all in and, you know, have you tried that method? I have actually for ovens, and I kind of, sometimes I flip between doing it that one way and doing it the other, but I'm going to chuck it all in today because that appeals to me because it's kind of quick and easy. So yeah, let's come and have a look at the ingredients. I mean, it's coffee, so honestly, the smell of coffee is strong right now. This is for the cake, so that's self-raising flour, and there's a bit of baking powder on top of that as well, teaspoon. There's caster sugar there. I've actually got more caster sugar than granulated, so I thought I would use granulated sugar as well if I didn't have this. Marge, I use Marge, it's the cheapest kind, but you know, if you like using butter, obviously it's got to be softened. I've got 4 eggs. They're quite small to medium size because the recipe said 3 large eggs, and that's a tablespoon of coffee with a tablespoon of water, it's cooled down. And this is for the icing sugar, so it's obviously butter and icing sugar and more coffee, and plus walnuts for the top. So yeah, let's get cooking, quite frankly. Cake, delish. Oh, and I'm using my round cake tins, which I'm actually quite excited about because I don't think I've used these yet. I got these a while ago, but definitely. Oh, I did. The Christmas cake. It's been a while. It's definitely been a while. So I've buttered both of those. They're not going to stay on there. That's just there for the moment. So yeah, let's get mixing these ingredients and get this cake in the Ninja. See you in a bit. So this is the margarine, but in my research with coffee cake, someone had said in the forum that they, rather than adding the coffee at the end, they added the coffee to the margarine, which had better results for them. So I'm going to try that. Valerie's expecting a slice, my elderly neighbour, so this better work. Otherwise she'll be disappointed, to say the least. She's looking forward to it. So yeah, I think I've mixed that the best I can, and now I'm just going to bung everything else in and start mixing. Where's the flour? So that's the flour and the baking powder. That's the sugar. Here we go. Let's just get the sides. Nice. Oops. Right, let's get these in. Oops. Smells lovely, really lovely coffee smell. So let's get these cakes in. I wonder if these will work with this. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I like that. Excellent. Right. Oh, it's not on. Oh my god. Right, let's get it on. So obviously match. Turn it around like that. So it's bake. I'm going to put it on 140 for 45 minutes. Oh, not that long. Okay, here goes. Well, it's nearly finished. Woo. Right, let's get it out. Oh, I haven't peeked. This is going to be. Oh, nice. Right, hold up. Let's get this out. I'm using my lovely cake, what do you call them? Non-stick cooling tray. So much better than having that tiny one I had. Okay, look at them. Look great. I'm very pleased. So I'm going to make the icing while the cake is cooling. Okay. Feels like there's too much icing sugar, but I'm following the recipe. Oh well, we shall see. Hand whisking isn't getting rid of these little lumps, so I've cleaned the thingies. I'm gonna that's a bit better. A lot better, in fact. Right, just add this coffee. I'm not going to add all of it because I'm a bit dubious about how strong it might be. I'm not sure. No, that's nice. It didn't need all of it. Okay. Right. I will see you in a bit when I start to decorate the cakes. They're still warm, so I need it needs to cool down. See you in a bit. Right, I've let it completely cool before I sort out the icing. I also want to trim one of them, or maybe no, just one, because the other one can have icing on top. Yeah, so I'm going to start. I was going to say strimming, but that's grass. I'm going to trim this one. So I'm going to put you down. my glasses. See what I'm doing. Oh, not bad sponge. Yep, this would be extra pieces. Let's have a taste. Nice. Right, I'm going to try and cut a slice. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm really happy with that. It's collapsing a bit, the icing, but that's the... I maybe should have trimmed the top to make it flat. Never mind. I'm really happy with that. Let's get you down a bit. Right. Be back. Whoops. The door's open. Yeah, I'm going to do a taste test now. Valerie's having a slice, so I need to cut her a slice. And... yeah, we're looking forward to this. See you in a bit. Well, that's for Valerie. What, hands or fork? What would you do? Oh, this looks good. Slightly, yeah. A sponge. I'm really pleased. Cool. That sponge is so light. And I bunged it all in the bowl at the same time. I didn't cream the sugar or anything. Wow. That's lovely. Oh, the coffee in that. That's perfect. I'm very happy with that. I'm going to make a cup of tea and finish it. Oh, but I better get round to Valerie's and give her her cake. Thank you everybody for watching and for all your lovely comments. What day is this going out? It's either Monday or Wednesday, so I hope you're having a good week. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Oh, delicious.